I done replaced all 4 of these actuators. I done replaced the crankshaft. No, that's the camshaft. The crankshaft down there by the transmission. There's another crankshaft over here I replaced. Replaced the starter. And the whole time, my fucking issue was none of that. The whole time, issue, there go the new starter, was, can y'all see that wire? The wire had broke. That's the ground wire. So without that ground wire being connected, it wasn't getting no power to my starter. So the whole time, that was my issue. I just put, goddamn it, $327 into this car that I didn't need to put in here. But it's all good.